Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to create a baby shower welcome sign using Canva. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. So to get started, head to canva.com. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design. So if you type in poster, it gives you a couple of different options, and you can pick from here. To make this easier, I'm just going to click on one of the size options that's offered right here. And since I want the poster to be in portrait orientation, I'm going to pick this one here, the 18 by 24 inch. So once you click on your poster size, if you head over to the left side here, it does give you some templates that you can apply to your design. So the theme for the baby shower is going to be teddy bear, and it's going to have a phrase on it that says, "We can barely wait for your arrival." So my thought is to have like a teddy bear, some balloons, or like a hot air balloon, and maybe like some leaves or something like that. So a helpful tip when you are designing something is you could head to etsy.com and type in kind of what you're thinking you want your poster to look like. You would type that in the search bar and then kind of see what options other sellers are offering, and then you can kind of take bits and pieces from different designs and kind of put them together to make your own design. You don't want to copy anybody, obviously. I went to Etsy and looked up, I think I looked up bear welcome sign or something along those lines. So what I think I'm going to do now is just look for some elements that I think I want to use in the poster design, and then I will check back in. If you ever run into an issue where you can't find like an element or something that you're looking for in Canva, there are a lot of different places now that you can find different graphics that are either, free if you're using it for personal use, or you can also buy the elements. I'll link a few websites down in the description where you can get different graphics for your poster. So typically my design process starts with research, and I'll usually go on like Etsy or Pinterest for some inspo, and then after that I usually head to Procreate, which is on my iPad, and I'll either sketch or like write some ideas that I want to incorporate in what I'm trying to design. And then after that I usually head to Canva and search for whatever elements that I'm trying to add to my design. And I also use like Etsy and other websites to look for graphics as well. So now I'm going to continue finding the elements that I'll be using for the poster, and I'll check back in. A quick Canva tip that I wanted to show you is that when you're looking for elements and you find one that you'd like, you want something that's similar to the one that you like, all you have to do is hover over the one that you're looking to use. In this case, it's this one here. So I'll click on the three dots that are right here. And when you do, it gives you details about the graphic. So this one is titled Cute Elephant Hot Air Balloon Watercolor. It tells you who created the design, whether or not it is free for you to use. It also shows the tags or keywords that you could type in that would bring up this in the results. You can star this or like mark it as a favorite. You can add it to a folder, view the collection, and you can also do see more like this. So you can either pick see more like this or view the collection. So I'm going to click on view collection and I'll hit see all under graphics. And so in this collection there's 8 little graphics that you can decide to use. So now I'm going to click on those 3 dots again and actually pick see more like this to see what results I get. Okay, so these particular ones are all like in a watercolor style and they are from different artists. But I did want to just show you that you can kind of pinpoint what type of graphics you're looking for based off of going to the collection and viewing the entire collection, which would make it easier when you're looking to make something that's cohesive. So now I'm going to design the poster. This part of the video will be sped up. Did you know that Canva prints posters? You can have Canva print your poster and have it shipped to you. So if you want Canva to do it, all you have to do is go up to where it says print posters. And it says you can order professional prints with Canva. You would just select what page to print. In this case, I'll just pick page 1. What size? And so it gives you a couple different options to print the poster at. Now, when I designed the poster, I set it up as 18 by 24, but I could pick any one of these sizes here to have it printed. And then you can pick however many you're looking to have printed. So when you go to the print posters button, it shows you like a mock-up of what the poster will look like if it's printed and put on your wall. So here's what the "We're very excited to meet you" poster looks like. So when you hit continue, it gives you an option to automatically fix any issue that's in your poster. So on this one, it says there's 4 issues. So you can just hit this just to fix them automatically, or you can like hover over these and it'll highlight which thing is an issue. So in my case, none of these are an issue because that's what I want. Once it's printed and cut, that's how I want it to look. So here are the shipping options, and they also have in-store pickup. So that is pretty interesting. And then you just put your name, number, the address where you want it shipped, hit continue, and then you would put, your information in there and have Canva print your poster and ship it to you. So I just wanted to show you that Canva can print posters for you. But if you're not having Canva print your poster and you want to save it so that you can take it to your local print shop or, print it for yourself, you would just go to Share. You would click Download. Under File Type, pick PDF Print. And then you can decide if you need crop marks or, any of these features. You would select which pages out of your document you want to download. And then you'd also pick your color profile and hit Download. Then you would just take that PDF again to your local print shop, or if you're printing it from home, you can do that as well. So this completes the video on how to create a baby shower welcome sign in Canva. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button and leaving a comment. Consider subscribing for more videos like this and other art-related content. Remember to check the description box for links to websites where you can find graphics for your poster, as well as a link to a free 30-day Canva Pro trial. And as always, thanks for watching.